Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you're well because a couple days ago we got an extreme event, an extreme liquidation event that basically completely nuked and wiped out all the markets. Everyone and their mother lost money that day, even me, myself included, guys. I lost money. Now, thankfully, my liquidations were not even 1% of my total income or even of the portfolio that I'm managing. So the money that I lost was extremely small in comparison to some other people who, I'm sorry to say this, but lost their entire net worth, their entire positions, their portfolios, all of that, man. I mean, it was extreme. We saw many coins go all the way to zero. I mean, that was insane to have a single day event where not even it didn't even took like 3 4 hours. I mean, all happened in a flash. Okay, all coins drop like instantly. Okay, for example, you're seeing this iota chart. Look at this. This is a massive drop. Okay, this is around more than 50% and possibly even lower according to some other charts in other exchanges. This was insane, guys. And this again, this happened in like 1 hour. I mean, in like 1 freaking hour, guys, everything changed. And everyone, even if you had gone with the smallest liquidation leverage possible, yeah, everyone got liquidated, guys. Everyone. It was insane. Such an event has never happened before in either crypto or the financial industry as a whole. That event that day was something that really was out of nowhere. And to be quite honest with you all, that was extreme and total market manipulation. There's no way around that. I mean, it was an scheme to actually destroy all retail and to benefit the exchanges as much as possible. But, anyways, what's always important is that even if you lost a lot of money, you need to know that money is not important. Okay, money is merely an energy. Okay, and if you have good energy, you will run it back. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. I actually logged many coins on that day at the lowest possible position, and right now I'm in big profits, and I hope you did that as well because I was kind of hinting at that in my predictions and in my posts in Twitter. And also because, like I told you guys, many people already think that the bull run has been canceled, that it's already reached the highest position in somewhere around the 6th of October, something like that, and that from now on it's just non-stop corrections. I'm here to tell you that that's not going to be the case. That's not going to be the case at all, my friends, because we still have many days, many weeks left. We're going to see extreme levels for Bitcoin. I would like to say many other altcoins as well, but not all of them, obviously. For example, IOTA in this case, I really don't see it. I really don't see it reaching the levels that it got in 21. So that was insane. But I also want to show you this, guys. I want to show you this because what you're seeing right now is the indicator that I'm using, the one called large intraday, because it basically allows me to measure real trends in real time that basically can span several days, like 3 4 days, even 5 days at most. For example, we got very powerful corrections starting from the 6th of October. Okay, this was the first major correction in the entire month. We got on IOTA almost 7% lost to the lowest position. Then we got a very small, very short-lived pump right there, which was decent if you go with even small leverage. But then we also get another loss right there on the 8 and 9. Okay, and you can see right there, this is on the 1 hour time frame, but this will obviously be evident and visible in any kind of time frames because, like I said, this indicator is real time, guys. Real time. It updates itself. It corrects the direction of the trend if need be. in minutes. Okay, this is I have a special script for this indicator that basically allows me to retrieve signals every single minute, and it basically checks every single minute, every single 2 minutes, something like that, for changes in the trend. And if it actually detects a trend change, it will actually give the signal. For example, that's what we got right there. Very, you could say these were false, but I really don't call them false signals because it was an actual uh, time of period where the signal was kind of bullish. It only lasted extremely short lived. And then we got another one that was more profitable and more with a kind of longer duration right there. But again, you could see that it was having massive trouble going up. And then we get this correction. And finally, just now, today, we are starting to see a recovery across all crypto markets right now. But you can see that um, if you had access to my signals or my indicator, this could have saved your life. The fact that we anticipated the indicator anticipated the correction in time, allowing you to actually get as much room as possible to either close your longs or go short, which in this case will have been extremely profitable, guys. I actually had a friend that went short, and I'm actually glad he did because I told him and I told people that I was expecting very big pumps around the 9 or 10 of October, and that was because I was testing a new method of predicting the future, and it had actually signaled that. But in other predictions that I have made in the past and even after that, I still saw potential danger for the 10th of October. But not even in my wildest dreams I had imagined, could have even imagined that such an event would have taken place. And yeah, kind of pay the price for that because, like I said, I was confused with too many predictions of too many different cryptos, of many different many ways of predicting the future, guys. Because, like I told you, it was extreme, and you'll have to excuse this because it's kind of freezing over. I don't know why, but I believe it's because it's kind of overloading with other projects that I have going on, especially for the sports prediction. But yeah, guys, I mean, what else can I tell you guys? I mean, it was extreme. I hope that you are making your losses back. If not, it's okay. You can take some time. You can take some days, maybe even weeks before you begin to trade again. I mean, I don't blame you guys. It was completely unexpected, especially for you guys, the ones that did not have access to my predictions. Because, like I said, in my clients, my regular clients, I actually give them the knowledge in advance, way in advance. I gave I believe it was the Solana chart that I published on the Telegram Signal group, which again is still not public yet. It's going to be open very soon, but it's just me and my friend, and I also gave the chart to other regular clients, very supporting people of my work. And I told them that many coins actually showed the 10th of October as a very bad day. Like I said, I didn't even realize it could be this bad. I mean, I actually, let me tell you something, and that's actually something that I posted on Twitter the last year on December of 2024. And that was basically that I had a dream, and you could basically say anything about dreams or have any opinion about dreams, but I don't know, guys. In my own experience, at least for me, the dreams that I have, not all of them, but some of them, are very prophetic, and many of them actually come to pass exactly like I dreamed them. In that dream, it's funny, we're talking financial stuff right there in this channel, but I'm talking about dreams right here. Anyways, I believe this is important because, again, it kind of correlates to what I'm basically going with this, and that is that in my dream, I had actually saw Bitcoin drop all the way down to zero. Now, that was not the case in that event, but like I said, many coins actually dropped all the way to zero, and this was the worst day in all crypto history. Okay, this is official now. It's not my opinion or whatever. It's official. It was the worst day in all crypto history. And again, like I told you, everyone and their mother lost money. Every single one lost money. Even if you had gone short, which could have made you a lot of money, and that could have offset your losses if you had longs that were put in place months, weeks prior to this event, you would have still lost money. Even small amounts of money, like myself, but still, I mean, guys, no one was safe from this event. It was extreme right now, and I don't know what to tell you guys. Something that really amazes me is how good this indicator is. Uh, there was some times where I was actually going against my own indicator. I was betting against my own indicator because kind of, um, I was trying to kind of like place positions in advance before the indicator came to pass, and I found out that the strategy is not working at all. This indicator is so powerful that can basically allows me to correct predictions that could have been not as accurate without the use of this indicator. Because, like I said, for example, this is AVAX. Okay, let's measure all of these movements, or at least some of them. If we take a look at this short to lowest position, this is around 8%. This is a very good profit. Okay, a very, very good profit with some leverage. Okay, and to the moment the short actually closed, which was around here, something like this, it's still an amazing profit, 5%. This is very good. Then we get a long, and to the highest position that was around 2%. So this is decent profit as well. This is very good. Then we go short again. This one was at the lowest position. Let's see, it was around almost 4%. AVAX on that day, on that destructive day, we got, let's see. Nah, man, look at this. Look at this. I mean, AVAX got completely wiped out. I mean, going all the way back to below $10. This was insane, guys. I mean, this is way more than 50%. And like I said, all cryptos got destroyed. I mean, Solana was extremely volatile, guys. I actually placed a long around these levels with a significant amount of leverage, and also my price go up 50%, then drop 80%. Thankfully, I was not liquidated, and it's still going very, very good at position. But guys, I don't do what I do. Okay, sometimes I go a little crazy and over the board, and I kind of go insane in some of my plays. But you can see with this indicator, it's extremely beautiful how everything works. I mean, this extremely juicy long. Okay, look at this. This indicator paved the way for the long. Right there at the very first candle, it tells you to long, and this is around 11% gain. This is extremely good. And it's obviously going to go even higher, guys, in the coming days. Okay. If you want to actually know what more important days you need to watch out for, not only for October, but also for the entire rest of the year, I mean, covering November and December. And if you are interested in getting the signals, talk to me. Okay. Write to me via email. It's always in the description box in every single video that I publish, and every kind of information that you want I can give to you. Okay, obviously it will not be free unless you are some of my most trusted supporters. Which you guys know, I always give you guys stuff for free. I don't charge you, because what I value the most out of anything, not just in this channel but in life in general, is loyalty and support. So if people are loyal with me, with my work, I have no problem at all giving them for free very valuable stuff, very valuable information. So I don't know, guys. I don't want to make this video any longer. Like I said, the main message of this video is that I hope that if you lost money, which is the case for everyone, so everyone lost money, I hope that you can make it back. Okay, money is not important. Your life is way more important than money is. So we can always get it back. We can always run it back. We can always recover, guys. And don't despair because this is not the end of the bull run, okay? We still have many, many good days, many weeks left before the year ends. And it's going to be a very good bull run. Again, I really hope that you are well invested in the very best coins. I really do not, in my portfolio, my main portfolio, I'm just going with Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and I forgot which other coin was. I believe XLM. That's about it. I don't have other coins in my main portfolio. I don't have, for example, any of these that you are seeing right there, IOTA, Apex, Aster. I do have some Aster, but not in longs or whatever. And none of this either because I'm only tracking these coins to kind of find which are the most volatile and which could be the best. Obviously, for example, this is Mantle. Some people have been talking about this coin, and it's good. I mean, I think it was released kind of recently. I don't know, but it's doing good, guys. It's very volatile, which I like for the profits. Very, very volatile. But yeah, guys, again, if you want information of whatever you want of my crypto predictions, of my financial predictions, or even the signals, you can always talk to me via email or any kind of information. Or if you want just to discuss something, I can always write to you. I mean, I have no problem. I always answer as quickly as I can. So have a good day. I hope you're doing good. I believe we are all going to do way better very soon. So don't despair, guys. Don't despair.